Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Twitch account to Impact. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your Twitch account to Impact so that when you apply for these brand partnerships, you could actually go ahead and see your brands can actually see your Twitch account. How do you actually connect both of these together? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Impact. Then in the bottom left-hand corner, you want to click on these three dots and then click on Settings. Once you open up your settings page, you want to scroll down to where it says Media Properties and click on that. And then next, on the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on Create Media Property and then click on Social. Once you've done so, the next thing you want to do is click on your Twitch account, and then it's going to prompt you to log on to your Twitch account so that you can connect both these properties together, your Impact account and your Twitch account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Twitch account with Impact. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.